Hello guys, thank you all for stopping by. Today I bring to you all captivating and easy to follow tutorial. In this video, I will show you all easiest way to make beautiful woolen craft that can add a touch of beauty and elegance to your room or any project. Please get 2 colors of wool and fork and dive into the tutorial. As you have seen, I wrap the first color of wool on the fork for 30 times. Then attach needle at the extension of the wool and use it to sew and secure both sides. Now, pull the woolen design out from the fork and attach second color of wool. Basically, what I'm doing here is creating a beautiful design to make visible combination. Make the design 5 pieces and join them together. Please guys, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. At this point, sew in a medium-sized bead at the middle to make the flower more beautiful and flawless. I believe you guys will find this tutorial easy to follow. Thanks for watching, see you all soon.